Hello fellow aspirants, good afternoon. Now I am going to explain partnership concept Caselet DA, which is the content is been created by myself. Okay, okay. I will tell in this video. I will explain in this video one past partnership Caselet DA and one mixture question, which is very interesting. So let me start. So I will get that PDF here. Okay. So let's get started without any delay. So actually this partnership Caselet DA is being created by me, and this mixture question is also framed by me. It's the mixture question, but it is somehow you can relate it somewhere else. Okay. So this mixture question is also very interesting, and this partnership Caselet DA is also very interesting. You can in this partnership Caselet DA, it is not direct DI. We need to first get the data, and then based on the questions in the DI we need to solve it. Okay, so let's get started. Both DI and mixture question was created by me, the content created by me. Okay, so let me explain you the partnership Caselet DA first. So what it is saying about is like four friends A B C D started a business together. Okay, if I write here A B C D, okay, A invested 75% more than B's investment. So we all know that in partnership we have three entities. One is investment, and another one is time, and the final one is profit. And we also know that profit is directly proportional to the investment multiplied by time. Okay, investment I am writing here. Okay, investment, time, and profit. Okay, so here A invested 75% more than B investment. 75% more than means 3 by 4. Means if B invested 4, A invested by 4 plus 3 7. Okay, 3 by 4 by 75% more means if B invested for 4 75%, then A invested by 4 plus 3 7. That is the 75% more fraction. Okay, so this is the 4 and this is the 7. Okay, this investment is equals to the average investment of ABC. Okay, here D's investment is average of ABC, but we have AB investment data, but we don't have C. So let's move ahead and read the next statements. A remained invested for entire duration of the business, that is 2 years. So in business is running for 2 years. Okay, 2 years. And C's investment is 42.84 percentage more than A. 42.84 percentage means what is the fraction of 42.84? It is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 of 7, like A's investment means 3. 3 more than the A's investment. Okay, C's investment is 3 more than the A's investment. Okay, then C's investment is 10. D invested for 33.33% less than the A's time. So I will just I will take here months. So D invested for 33.33 less time than the A. A invested for 24 whole business time, and D invested for 33.33 percentage means what is the fraction? 33.33% less means if A invested for 3, then D invested for 1 by 3 less than the 3, so it is 2. Okay, so 3 units 24 means then 2 units 16. Okay, D invested for 16 months. B invested for half of the total business duration. If total duration is 24, B invested for 12 months. Okay, and C invested for 25% more time than D. 25% more than D means what is the 25% fraction? 1 by 4. So if D invested for 4 parts, then C invested for 25% more than means, so 1 more than the D's investment time means 5. So 4 units 16 months means then 5 units 20 months. So D invested for 20 months. Okay, so this is the data of the DI. Whatever the data is there in the Caselet, I have written in the table. And one data we are missing here is this investment is equal to average investment of ABC. See here, average investment of ABC means what? 7 plus 4 plus 10, how much? 21. 21. How many entities are there? How many friends are there for 21? 3 friends. So average means what? 21 by 3, 7. Okay, so 7 is the investment amount of D. You got it? So this is the data of this Caselet DA of partnership. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. So here is the investment values are not real values. These are the ratios which we are discussing since the start of this DA. So we got the investment and time data, so that we can get the information about profit. So let me take the investment in the one row. Investment 7:4:10:7. So let me take ratio of time also. Okay, so here 24, 12, 20, 16. So I can see that 4 table will can cancel all these values. 4 6 are 4 3 are 4 5 are 4 4 are. So this is the investment into time data. Then we can get the data of profit. 42, 12, 50, 28. Okay, why I am I am directly multiplying the two different ratios Two different ratios means two different variables. If one ratio is telling about x, means another ratio is telling about y. So if there is no any we don't need to worry about we don't need to worry at all when we are multiplying the two different ratios. Okay, because if we multiply two different ratios also, if you are taking the ratio again for combined two ratios, the variables will automatically cancelled out, like ruled out. Okay, so that is the concept here of ratios. So this is the profit ratio. So until here the Caselet DA explanation was done. So in the question 1 it is saying, if the total profit of the business is 13,200, okay, profit is 13,200 means okay, and B's profit is 9.09% of the total profit. Okay, means what? 9.09% fraction value is what? Is 1 by 11. Okay, one second. 1B's profit is 9.09% means that fraction is 1 by 11 of total profit is 13,200. So if I cut with the 11th table, 1200 rupees. Okay, 1 by 11. Okay, 1 by 11th of one second. Let me cut down here the profit ratios with the two table, 21, 6, 25, 14. Okay, so let me come to the question here. If the total profit of the business is 13,200, base profit is 9.09, means 1 by 11. 1 by 11th of the total profit is 13,200. So this is the profit of B. So 1200. B's profit is 1200. Okay, 1200. 1200 means what? 1 unit, 6 units is 1200 means 1 unit is 200. So here A is 200. One part profit is equals to 200 rupees. So it is asking find the A's profit. A's profit means what? So what we directly write, A's profit units are 21 into 200 is equals to 4200. So A's profit is 4200. Okay, A's profit is, this is the first question. Okay, so this is the first question. I hope you understand I hope you understand the first question. First, what I did, I have written all the ratios related relationship in the investment, and I have taken the time relation in the ratios, and I multiplied investment into time, and I got the profit ratio. And then we didn't have any other extra data in the caselet, and we have directly jumped into question. And in the question, it is saying profit is this much and B's profit is this much here. So if we get the B's profit, we have already ratio relationship between A, B, C, D. So if we get the B's profit, automatically we can get the A's profit, C's profit, D's profit. This is the first question. Okay, let me erase this one. So second question is, what is the second question is asking about is, if the total profit is 22,600 and B's see and B and D are active partners of the business, like how whatever the months they are in the business, in the time period they are active business partners. Okay, here I have, in this question I have included active and sleeping partner of partnership concept. B and D are active partners, each receiving 100 rupees per month for the period of their investment. Okay, so B is invested for 12 months. Okay, 12 into 100, so B will get additional amount of this much, which is 1200 rupees. And D is also active partner. D invested for 16 months. 16 into both are getting 100 rupees only, so means 1600. Okay, so whenever active partner sleeping partner concept comes in, we need to remove the active partner profit from the total profit, and from the remaining profit we need to share the profit among themselves with the ratio of investment into time. So let me first remove these two active partner shares in the total profit, so that I will get remaining profit, so that I can share among the four friends. So 22,600 is the total profit, and these two guys active partners are getting 2,800 for the whatever the months they are in the business, how many months they are in the business. So 0 0 16 8 is 8, 11 to 9 and 9, so 1 19,800 is the remaining profit after the active partners have taken their portion of profit, because they are active partners. Okay, so this profit should be divided among themselves by taking the ratio of investment into time. That is the profit, so this is the profit, so we need to divide this remaining profit among themselves with the investment into time. Okay, so here is the remaining profit we got. The remaining profit is distributed in the ratio of investment and time period. Okay, find D's total profit. It is asking about D's total profit. D already got 1600 as active partner share, so D also get the share from this amount, remaining profit amount. So we already have the profit relationship, which is 7 4 10 7. And time is, I am cancelling this before, 6 3 5 4, and the profit ratio we are getting is 42 12 20 28. Okay, 28. If I cut it by two table, 21 6 10 and 14. Okay, so the remaining profit should be distributed among themselves in this ratio. Okay, so what it is asking is this total profit, commission, active partner commission also, and the remaining profit also. We need to combine both the D's profit, and we need to answer the D's total profit. So D's total profit means what? Here we can say in this ratio this profit should be distributed. So I will add this ratio, 21 plus 6 27, 27 plus 27 plus 10, how much? 37. wait 1 second, I got my mistake. Here it is 50 and 28. So if I divide it by two tables, so 21 is to 6 is to 25 is to 40. So if I add this profit ratio 27, 27, 25, 52, 52 plus 14, 66 units. 66 units is equals to 19,800, means 66 threes are, so 300 times it is going. So we want what this total profit, this share is 14. 1 unit is equals to 300, means 14 units is equals to 4200 plus 1600 as commission. 1600 as commission. So 0085, 5800 rupees is the D's total profit. So I am hoping that you got the complete understanding of this partnership Caselet DA. Okay, so first we need to in this Caselet DA investment time ratio there, so that we will get profit ratio. And in the each individual question, profits are different and the question is also different. And we have in the second question I have included active partner and sleeping partner. So this is the question is about. So I have included only 2 questions because I want to make this video very short. In this very short video also I have included some concepts like here active and sleeping part. This is the Caselet DA is about. So let me go to the partnership question. So this is one more interesting question. I absolutely trouble you for your 100% concentration. Please listen carefully. This is very important question. And whole concepts of mixers, like not whole concept, like very important mixer concept is in this question. Okay, at least when you are watching this video, if you already see, most of the people will know the partnership concept, but in mixtures they even me also sometimes I will fumble in the real examination with the timer. So I will explain you this question of the mixer concept very clearly. Please listen carefully. There are two mixers, M and N. Okay, the quantity of mixture M is twice the quantity of mixture N. Okay, so see, I have already solved this question, so I know the how to take the values here, but I am just explaining you so that you can understand, like you can understand very easily. So I will take the n total quantity of the mixture as 1000x, and M is the twice of n means 2000x. This is the quantity. Okay na? So here milk and water there, here milk and water there. Okay, now question starts. If 20% of the mixture is poured into the mixer M, so what is the mixture we have in M? 2000 x liters mixture we have. If 20% means what? In the 2000 x 20% mixture means 400 x liters. Okay, we are taking from the mixture M 20%. So here comes the concept. Okay, first let me dive into the this one. I will tell you what is the 20% matter later. 20% of the mixture is M is poured into the N, means 400 is poured into the N, means what? Now how much mixture has become in the N? 1400 x liters. Okay, then percentage of milk in the resulting mixture. Resulting mixture means after pouring something from one mixture into another mixture, then after mixing that, then it becomes resultant mixture. Okay, so in this resultant 400 liters, 400x liters, milk is containing 54%. So milk is containing 54% means 54 into 54% means 54 and 54 by 100 into 1400. So 2 zeros cancel. 14 5s is 70, but one more zero there, 700. 14 4s are 56. So 756 x liters of milk is there after pouring 20% of mixture M into the N. Okay, so I will just erase this. So I will just erase this. So here I have how much, 54 into 40, 756. 756 x liters of milk is there finally. So if 756 liters of milk is there, then how much water will be there in 400 index? So 56 means add 44 to it, so it becomes 800. 800 plus 600 means 1400. 644 x liters of water is there after pouring 20% of mixture from M into N. Okay, so this is the first condition. Okay, now if instead the entire quantity of mixture M is poured into the mixture N. Okay, so earlier we poured only 20%. Now it is asking about mix 100% of mixture M into the mixture N. So here I am just writing here. So I'll write upside. M is having 1000x. Sorry, 2000x. N is having 1000x. Now second part, what it is saying is add all the contents quantity of mixture M into N. So 1000 plus 2000x means 3000 x liters mixture, resultant mixture will become. Okay, now what it is saying, the percentage of milk in the resultant mixture becomes 38%. So milk, water, 38% means what? 38 by 100 into 3000. So 20 cancel. 38 into 3, 90, 24, 114. 1140x. So 1140x milk is there means how much water should be there? So add 60, so it becomes 1200. Add 18, so it becomes 3000x. So this is the quantity of milk and water after we add entire mixture of M into the N mixture. Okay, now real question comes now here. The real concept comes now. So whatever the data has given in the question, I have written everywhere, and now real question comes. Find the percentage of milk and percentage of water in the mixture M. Okay, see, actually first part what we had, only 20% of 20% of the mixture M we have added. Actually every mixture and alligation concept will start with removing the mixture, adding the mixture in the ratios. So 20% we are removing the quantity of mixture M means, if mixture means what? Milk and water. We are removing 20% of milk and water from the mixture M in the first condition. So milk we are removing milk plus water 20% means we are removing milk and water individually by 20% also. So if we are removing milk plus water 20% means, it automatically we have to understand that we are removing milk 20% as well as water 20%, so that we are removing whole in the whole, we are removing mixture 20 percentage of mixture M. Okay, here we have removed 20 percentage of the milk, and here we have removed 20 percentage of the water. In total we have removed 20 percentage of the mixture M. This is the concept. First condition, we have removed 20 percentage milk plus water, means we have removed 20 percentage of milk as well as 20 percentage of water, means in total we have removed 20 percentage of the mixture M and we poured into the mixture N. So that is the concept here, biggest concept. So I will just go ahead and I will solve this question within no time. So here we have added 20%, okay, 20% of milk. In the second condition, what we have entirely poured mixture M into the mixture N. So here we have added 100% of milk and 100% of water and 100% of mixture M into the mixture N. Okay, milk. In the first condition we have added 20% of the milk, but here we have added 100% of the milk. Okay, 100% of the milk. Here base value is very important to understand the solution. Here please listen again. Here we have removed 20% of the milk content and we poured into the mixture N. And in the second condition we have removed 100% of the milk in the mixture M and we have poured into the mixture N. Okay, I am talking about only milk content. Milk content is the base value here in the in this percentage. So here 756, when we have added 20% means 756. When we have added 1000 means what is the value? 146. Oh, 1140x. 1140x. So the difference between percentages while we are pouring that milk content to the mixer N is, first we have added 20%, second we have added 100%. So what is the difference? 80% of the milk. Here what is the difference? Here what is the difference? 1140, 756. How much we have added more? So I will add 44 here, so that it will become 800. Okay, one second. So 1100, sorry, from 1100 we just subtract 700, so we will get 400. From 40 we have to subtract 56, means we are subtracting more 16, means negative 16. So we need to subtract from the 400. Here it is 384. When we have added 20% of the mixture means it is 756. When we added 100% of the milk quantity means 1140. So the difference between percentage while mixing the content to the mixture N is 80%. 80% of the milk content is this one, 384. Okay, 80% of milk quantity in M is 384. So here I will just write here 4 by 5. So I will cancel this by 4 9s are 4 6 are. Okay, and M is equals to 95 is a 450, 4 5 6 is 30, 480 x. So we got the milk value. So see here, find the percentage of milk and the water, percentage of the water in the mixture M. So here we have in M. So here we have water 2000x milk water. Milk we have 480x at 20 means 15, so 1520. So milk is this much, water is this much. Okay, so I will just whatever the question is asked, I will just finish it. So percentage of milk and percentage of water in the mixture. 480 is the milk on 2000. 2 zeros cancel, 0 cancel. 24 percentage of milk there in M. If 24 percentage of milk there, then we don't need to 1520 by 2000 into 100. We don't need to write. If milk is having 24 percentage, means water how much? 76 percentage. So here what I am trying to tell you is one. The most important point here is when we have poured 20 percentage of mixture M into the M, we are pouring 20 percentage of the milk and 20 percentage of the water the same way. When we are removing 20 percentage of the 20 percentage of the mixture, then we are removing 20 percentage of the water and 20 percentage of the milk. We used to do it in the mixture questions, na? So in the same way. First, okay, we got, when we add 20 percentage mixture, then we get the milk and water this much. When we have added 100 percentage of mixture M into the N, we got the resultant milk quantity as 1140 and water quantity as 1180. So now main question is, when we have added 20 percentage of the milk, 756 it became. When you have added 100 percentage of the milk, 1140 it became. So what is the difference between the percentages we have added? 100 minus 20, 80%. 80 percentage of milk. Here the difference is 384. So we have added for 80 percentage of the milk quantity is 384, means I have just added, so I got the full milk quantity as 480x with this operation, and milk is 480 means water is 1520. If I get what is the question is asked, percentage of milk is 24 and percentage of water is 76. That is the question. If you have any doubts in this question, please do comment, and I will repeat this question in the next videos. Okay, thank you.